Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you all kids? I hope that you all are fine and are doing well at home. This is grade 1 mathematics class from Prime Blessings Islamic School, and the topic we are covering today is comparing numbers within 10. So let's begin. Now kids, let's recite this dua. Rabbi zidni ilma, O my Lord, increase me in knowledge. Now, here you see a number train, okay? And the question here is, choose any number from 10 to 6 and then count back. It means that I can choose any number between 10 to 6 and then I have to count back. So which number I should choose? I'm choosing number 8, okay? So, which number should come at the second place? Yeah, 7, because we are counting back. Then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now, which number should come? 0. Good job. Okay, now let's compare the objects here. Here you see two sets of pencils, set A and set B. Now let's count how many pencils in set A has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pencils are here. And how many pencils are there in set B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pencils are here. Okay, now kids, can you tell me that which set has more pencils? Yes, set B has more pencils. Why? Yeah, as you already know that number 6 is greater than number 5. So set B has more pencils than set A. And which set has fewer pencils? Yes, set A has fewer pencils. Okay, because 5 is smaller than 6. Good. Now let's see here. Here are two sets in which some erasers you see. Now count how many erasers are there in set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 erasers in set A. And how many erasers are there in set B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 erasers. It means that set B has 7 erasers as well. So, when we have the same number of objects in both groups, it means that the number of erasers in both sets are same. Good. Now kids, let's do something different this time. Here you see two tables that are magnetic table with some counters on it. Okay, this is table A and this is table B. So let's count how many magnetic counters are there in table A. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 counters. And how many there are in table B? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 counters. Okay. So can you tell me which number is smaller and which number is larger? Yes, you know that. Number 5 is greater than 4 and number 4 is smaller than 5. Okay. So here we see that number of counters in table A are 4 and here are 5 in table B. So let's let's match it by drawing the line like this. This is called 1-to-1 matching. 1 counter, 1 counter, 1 counter, 1 counter, 1 counter, 1 counter here, and 1 counter, 1 counter. And you see there is 1 left in table B to match because there is no counter on table B now. So table B has how many counters? 5 counters, and table B has 1 more counter than table A. Okay, and table A has 4 counters, so table A has 1 fewer counter than table B. Okay. Here you see again that there are some strawberries in different sets. Set A and set B. Okay. So how many strawberries are there in set A? 1, 2, 3. 3 strawberries. And how many strawberries in set B? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 strawberries are there in set B. Okay. So can you tell me that which number is smaller and which number is larger? Yeah. 3 is smaller than 5 and 5 is larger than 3. Okay. So we got to know that set B has more strawberries than set A. But how many more? To find it out, we will draw a line to match it like this. 1 strawberry, 1 strawberry. 1 strawberry here, 1 strawberry here. And then 1 strawberry, 1 strawberry here. So we see that these 2 strawberries are left to match. It means the number of strawberries in set B are 5. So set B has 2 more strawberries than set A. And set A has 2 fewer strawberries than set B. Okay? Now kids, now we compare the different objects. Okay? This time we have to compare these ducks with these teddy bears. Do you see that number of ducks are more or less than number of teddy bears? Yeah, there are 3 ducks and there are 2 teddy bears. So which is more? Of course, ducks are more here. And how many more? Can you tell me? Yeah, there is 1 more duck than teddy bears. Okay, see here. Here you see 1, 2, 3 and 4 apples. And here you see only 2 butterflies. So which one is more here? Apples or butterflies? Of course, apples are more. Good. And how many more? Can you guess it? Yes, there are 2 more apples than butterflies. And now, see here. Here are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 butterflies. Whereas there are only 1, 2 and 3 balls. So, which is more, butterflies or balls? Butterflies are more than balls, okay? Okay, so this time our question is, there are dash fewer balls than butterflies. How many fewer? Can you guess it? Yeah, the number of balls here is 3 and number of butterfly here are 5. It means the number of balls are 2 fewer than butterflies, okay? I hope kids that you have understood the comparing of numbers through objects and by numbers as well. For the assignment you have to attempt page number 3 and 4 on page 13 of people's book and page 11 and 12 of activity book. I hope that you have enjoyed this session. I have enjoyed it too. See you soon inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.